Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy VOO through Fidelity. If you're interested in investing in the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, also known as VOO, you are taking a step towards building a diversified investment portfolio. Let's walk through the process together. The first step is to log into your Fidelity account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Visit the Fidelity website and follow the prompts to sign up. Make sure to have your personal information and bank details ready. Once you are logged in, you will see your account dashboard. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in VOO and hit enter to bring up the details of the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Here you will find important information about the ETF, including its performance, expense ratio, and current price. Take a moment to review this information to ensure that VOO aligns with your investment goals. Once you have confirmed your decision to invest in VOO, click on the Buy button. You will need to enter the number of shares you want to purchase and choose the order type. You can select a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to set a specific price. After reviewing your order, click Submit to complete the transaction. Congratulations, you have now purchased VOO through Fidelity.